Okay, welcome to the second episode. So, some prerequisites to understand the course better. So, you have to have basic understanding of JavaScript and ES6, modern JavaScript ES6, and basic understanding of React.js, how state proofs works, what is state, what is proofs, and how to use the components and functional component, class components. These are basic understanding uh, to get the optimum benefits from this course. So first of all, we are going to install the Node.js. You know, Node.js is a React.js framework, and it will give you a SEO boost. Okay, so I have already created a folder, and it's Twitter clone. Okay, and connected it with the GitHub. So first of all, as you know, we have two sites, server side and client side. So first of all, we are working on client side, but some people start from the backend and test it the APIs through Postman. Okay, so I'm not going to waste some of my time to want to save my time. So I am trying to start from the front end, from the Next.js. Okay, so install the install the Next.js and give it a name. I'm giving it a client. Okay, so from where I got this script. If you go to the official documentation of Next.js, you will see how to install it. You will get a clear guide, and if you are very curious about Next.js, you can go over here. You can read all these necessary stuffs. Okay, so this is also very, if you have basic understanding, it's not very tough, very user friendly and plug and play. So it will take some time to install the Node.js. We have to wait. Okay, it's all done. Node.js is done. So I am using VS Code. According to your choice, you can use any sort of code editors, but I am using VS Code. So let's see what we have. We have only client folder. Okay, so I am opening the code in VS Code, and I want to show you the folder structures. You see, we have client folder. So by default, this folder has been created. All the necessary files, all the necessary packages, most of the necessary packages are installed with Next.js. So it has pages. In the pages, index.js is used as a front page. So if you go to the terminal and navigate to the cd client folder, then if you run npm run dev, you will see the output, initial output. Okay, localhost 3000. By default, Next.js run in localhost 3000 folder. So this is the initial setup ready on the front page. Okay, if you want to check is it really the front page, you can write something according to your choice. Another challenges over here, one thing is that, give it a ASON, sorry, ASON, this is front page, and head over there, you see this is front page. Okay, this will act. We have to do nothing to create the front page. It is by default. Next.js give us these folder structures. So if you curious, if you want to create another page like login page, login.js, it will automatically use as a login page. Okay, so RFC. Okay, give it login. So if you navigate to this page, login page, I hope you will see you see login. So similarly, if you create another page, register page, it will automatically act as a page. You have to do nothing. No routing system is required over here. It is by default. Next.js give us those facilities. Register.js RFC, and if you navigate to the register page, you see the register page. So another challenges over here is that it is showing some errors. Parsing error, cannot find. When you install Next.js initially, it shows some errors, parsing errors, cannot find module next Babel. So one of the best way to debug these problems is that by copying the problems, you just paste it in Google. It will give you solutions. Okay, let's go to the first link, second link. Here is the solution. If you just write the code, if you just copy the code and insert here next config, the problem will be solved, I think. You see, no problems are over here. So along with that, you have learned a problem solving approach. Just copy the problems and paste it in the Google and try to figure out the solutions of this problem. Okay, so our Next.js setup is ready. Now then we will dive into the deep and incorporate all those features. First of all, we will make the front page like that. Okay, no more today. Please wait for the next video. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and give me a big thumbs up. See you soon.